It is great to meet you, and so excited about the announcement yesterday. My first question for you, I know you're a yoga enthusiast. Have you developed any, creative zero gravity yoga poses to help you stay grounded during your time in space that you'll be using?
I love that you said stay grounded. I did do a lot of yoga when I was on board the ISS, and it's actually not that hard to do, and it's in some ways way more fun to do. There are some poses that are tough. The standing poses I don't necessarily get as much out of, but a lot of the stretching poses are great. So yes, yoga is fantastic. I think that one neat thing about humans in space is how we adapt the things that we love on Earth to space, and it really just shows why exploration is a human. It's in our DNA, and adapting what we love to new environments is just something we naturally do.
Most certainly. And now, as someone who enjoys traveling, is there any particular destination on Earth that you feel shares a unique connection with the moon and that has inspired your perspective on space exploration?
For sure. For me, one of the most profound things that I did in my life was winter over at the South Pole. And the starkness of that environment is something that reminds me of what I would imagine the moon to be like. And even this
Wow.
coming up mission where we won't land on the moon, but we'll be in a very far off place. And the metaphor of being at the South Pole of the Earth and helping to enable a mission going to the South Pole of the moon is a really neat thing to be a part of for someone that feels such a connection to the Antarctic, having spent so much time there. The
Yeah.
starkness, looking up at the night sky, seeing the auroras every night, and having the night sky really be your motivational force over the
Wow.
long winter when there are 6 months of darkness is something that I felt very tied to during my time on the ISS, and I can imagine it will feel the same way on this coming up mission.
Wow, that's amazing. And now, if you could design, a lunar research station based on your experiences at remote scientific bases in Antarctica, Greenland, and Alaska, what unique features would you incorporate into these bases?
I would incorporate, the science aspects are going to take care of themselves. Researchers will have what we need. The thing that I would probably talk about as very important is community spaces. One of the things that was most important in my time at the South Pole that was actually challenging because at the time we were building a new station at the South Pole was community fit sports. We didn't have
Ooh.
team sports when we were down there, and that's something that they always plan into station architectures. So a place where you can get together, whether that's group meals, having a good time together, listening to music, playing
Yeah.
sports, that's really important. Like I said, I think all the safety and science will take care of itself, but
Yeah.
remembering those human factors, and actually that's what makes it special. The fact that we can, again, carry the things we love from Earth to new places.
That's so awesome. I look forward to the sports on the moon. That'll be good.
Volleyball on the moon.
Yes. Oh.
It'll be a very different game. Maybe pickleball.
Well, I was gonna say, I know we got just a couple minutes left, so I'll let Jack finish off here. I really appreciate you taking the time to talk with us. You are really inspiring the future here, Christina. So hopefully talk to you very soon, and enjoy your flight if we don't.
Thank you.
Mhm.